how to get fame on Bluesky. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can gain popularity on Bluesky. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So here are some methods that you can try out to gain popularity on Bluesky. First off, create quality content. You can share posts that are thoughtful, engaging, or entertaining. Use Bluesky media features such as video and music players to diversify your post. The second method is to engage actively. Respond to comments, join conversations, and follow accounts in starter packs related to your interest. Third one is to customize your presence. You can use features like custom domains for unique branding and create moderation lists to maintain a positive interaction space. The third and the last one, or the fourth and the last one, is to be consistent in Bluesky. You have to post regularly and experiment with custom feeds to connect with other communities. By constantly engaging and leveraging these tools, you can grow your Bluesky influence. Explore more on Bluesky's platform tools for strategic approach. And that's how you can get fame on Bluesky. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.